Hola amigos, hola amigas, welcome, bienvenido, croeso, salam, welcome to the channel y'all, Chesniak Shimash, good day y'all. Welcome to another Washy Wednesday and welcome to the fourth and final part of the Dyson CR02s. So this is the one that you would have seen me doing all the repairs on and the cleaning, and it got stuck, but it's cleaned and it's, you know, it's completely cleaned. Everything, if it was unstuck, it would work. I'm here with Phil from Service Slimline.
Hello.
Hello. So what we're going to be doing is, when I bought this one came with it for free because the owner, this one was broken as well. So anyway, so I got this one as well, which I thought would be perfect because this is the one that I want to keep in the workshop for display purposes, with a Dyson vacuum cleaner of the era on top of it. So you will see it in future videos. But it weighs an absolute ton. We don't need any of these gubbins, so we are going to strip it of all the heavy parts as much as we can and get rid of them. So let's take you around the back. So there you see the back of the machine with the contra rotator and all that malarkey, and that all weighs a ton with the weight. So we're going to take the weights off and everything that we can to make it as light as possible. So we are going to try and strip it down to bare bones. So this is what we're going to do. So I'll enjoy. Right, okay, so we're here at the front, at the back. First thing we don't want is the weight, so the weight can go.
So sockets.
switch. Park it.
Hey,
Well, hey.
one. They're not even that heavy. Honestly, that concrete weighed more than that.
Mm-hmm.
I made it move. So
You
that's
did.
a start. Oh, hang on, movement. Yay! What a heap of scrap. Right. Installation.
Solid.
That's it. That's literally it, isn't it?
Wow.
Oh,
Oh, that's nice and light now.
Not bad.
Yeah. I'm literally going to take this outside tomorrow
Yeah.
and just hose it.
Blast it, yeah.
Just put a hose to the whole thing.
Cool.
And then put some of the bits back together on it.
Yeah.
And then have it then purely as display in the workshop.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah. Much better. Right, okay, so thank you very much, Phil, for helping me do that with all your tools and stuff. I'll see you guys on the drive. Okay, so it's the next day. It's a bit windy, but we have the Dyson CR02 here stripped. So what I'm going to be doing is basically just washing it up so that I can put it back together. So let's get it washed and cleaned. So there we go, the second of the two Dyson CR02s. There's the label for that one. Clean, shiny, all put back together. Lovely and shiny on the inside, but of course there is a difference with this. There's nothing on the inside. It is completely and utterly devoid of anything apart from the drum and the front panel. So as you saw, Phil and I stripped everything out of it. And if I put you inside, there we go. It's empty, just smoke and mirrors. So this one is going to be for the display for the workshop, and I have the matching vacuum cleaner that can go on top of that for display purposes only. There's nothing in there as well, that's just glued onto place. The drawer in there, I sawed in half, so it's just the front, so it looks like it's full, complete. I've washed the inside of all of that. That looks really nice now. So all in all, it looks mint, but it wouldn't wash for nothing because there's nothing there. So there we go. This now is going to go in the workshop and be used as a display piece, and the other one is there on eBay ready to be sold for spares or repairs. But there we go, done. Lovely and clean at least, and the perfect prop for me in the workshop. So hope you've enjoyed that. It's been fun working on these CR02s. But yeah, I think that's about it really. I've learned a lot, gained a lot of confidence, and yeah, had a lot of fun along the way. So I hope you've enjoyed too. I never claimed to be an expert. I never claimed that I would guarantee that I would get these back up and running, but I certainly have had a good go and a lot of fun and learned a lot on the way. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye y'all.